Windscribe versus Hide. Me VPN. Best transparency policy versus best free VPN. In today's video, we'll dive deep into both of these VPN services, comparing their standout features, and ultimately figuring out which one really stands out in transparency and free offerings. But stay tuned because after comparing these two, I'll share an even better alternative that could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with the transparency aspect, something that's really important when you're picking a VPN. Windscribe's transparency policy is one of the best in the industry. They've posted their audited privacy reports and are very upfront about what data they collect, if any. That said, they do have a limited logs policy, which means they collect some connection data, like the date of connection, but nothing that could tie back to your identity. So, they're transparent, but not entirely anonymous. On the other hand, Hide.me doesn't have quite the same level of transparency. They also claim no logs, but their policy doesn't get into as much detail as Windscribe's. One thing to keep in mind is that Hide.me's base in Malaysia could offer some advantages in terms of privacy laws, but they don't provide as much visibility into their internal processes, which is something to think about. Next, let's talk about the free versions. Windscribe offers a free plan that gives you 10 gigabytes of data per month, which is great for casual use. It also has a decent range of servers, so you're not completely limited, but it's not entirely unrestricted. For heavier users or people looking for more options, you'll definitely need to upgrade. The free plan does provide some good privacy protections, but you might find the limited data annoying. Hide.me, however, is one of the best free VPNs out there. Their free plan offers 10 gigabytes per month too, but the real winner is that they allow unlimited device connections on the free version. So, if you have multiple devices or family members to protect, Hide.me could be the better choice. They also have a no logs policy, which, like I mentioned, is a bit more vague compared to Windscribe. Still, for a free VPN, it's solid. But here's where things get tricky. Both Windscribe and Hide.me have solid free versions, but they also have drawbacks. Windscribe's free plan is good, but it comes with some restrictions on bandwidth and servers, and it's not always the most reliable for streaming. Hide.me's free version, while generous in terms of connections, might limit you in terms of speed and overall performance. Both are good options, but they might leave you wanting more in the long run. Next thing, when we talk about paid plans, Windscribe offers a pro version that unlocks more servers, unlimited data, and extra security features. But at $4.08 per month for their yearly plan, it's a decent price for a VPN that provides reliable service. Hide.me's premium plan is a bit pricier, starting at $4.99 per month for the 2-year plan, but they do throw in a few more perks like higher speed limits and better support. Now, let's move on to the user experience. Windscribe's apps are easy to use, and their browser extensions are a great addition, especially for people who want to add some extra security without installing a full VPN app. Hide.me's apps are also user-friendly, and their setup process is quick. However, I find Windscribe's interface a little smoother, especially when connecting to different servers quickly. So, to wrap things up, both Windscribe and Hide.me are solid choices for those who prioritize transparency and good free plans. Windscribe might win on transparency, but Hide.me is a great pick for anyone needing a free VPN that supports multiple devices. However, after testing both of them, I believe there's a better alternative that offers everything you need in a VPN with a better overall experience and no compromises. If you want a better alternative for achieving the best privacy and security, take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits and the best free trial that's only available to our viewers.